Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at adding fractions using mixed numbers. So we've got 1 and 1/5 plus 2 and 1/10. So first things first, we need to convert the mixed fraction. So as mentioned previously, you do 5 times 1 plus the top over 5. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so 6 over. The denominator is 5, so we write 5 plus. Same thing for the second one. We do 10 times 2 plus 1. Okay, so 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So 21 over 10. We keep the denominator the same. Now, remember in the previous video, we did mention for you to add fractions or subtract fractions, the denominator needs to be the exact same. You may ask why. That's just a rule. Otherwise, you cannot add the fractions. So if you look at the denominator, we've got 5 and 10. Straight away, you should think of the LCM. So you may think, what is the LCM? LCM stands for the lowest common multiple. So let's write down 5 and 10. You all know your 5 and 10 times tables. You need to think of the lowest common multiple. So a number that goes into both 5 and 10. Straight away, you probably can think of the number 10. Does 5 go into 10? Yes, it does. 5 times 2 is 10. Does 10 go into 10? Yes, it does, because 10 times 1. So to make life easy, we don't need to do anything to the denominator here because it's already 10. What I can do is I can just change this fraction here so that the denominator is 10. So 5, how do I convert 5 to get to 10? What do I have to multiply by? So as you can see here, we've already done it. You do 5 times 2. Remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So 6 times 2, let's rewrite this here. 6 times 2 is 12 over 5 times 2 is 10 plus 21 over 10. Now notice how I haven't done anything to this fraction here. The reason being, I wanted to get 10 at the bottom. Now 10 was already there for the second fraction, so that's why I had to change the first fraction. Now you can see the denominator is the same, and now all you do is simply add the top. So let's draw the fraction. The 10 gets transferred here, so the denominator stays the same. All you do here, in simple terms, is you just do 12 plus 21. 12 plus 21 would give us 33 over 10. So your final answer should be 33 over 10. So if you got that as the final answer, well done. So let's just write this down here, 33 over 10. Or alternatively, that can be written, so if I just write it here, that can be written as 3 and 3/10, okay? Because 10 times 3 is 30, and then 30 plus 3 will give us 33 over 10. So these two are equal to one another. Alternatively, if you had written it like this, that would be correct. So you would get 1 mark for that as well. So this is a slightly more challenging question compared to the previous question, where the question was far more simple. I hope you found this video informative. I hope you found this video beneficial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Follow us on all social media channels at Easy Education London. For online tuition, contact our website www.easyeducationlondon.com, or alternatively contact our email easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.